Mga boss, ayan, 18 inches, pure black tactical hammer type. Naka discovery na scope, under barrel grip, naka bipod, naka sleeve, silencer, and 18 inches yung barrel niya. So, ang haba nito is, asan yan? From, wait, from butt to silencer is around 40 inches. Butt to silencer. Ay, naka-extend pala yung ano niya. So, naka-extend yung butt niya. Yan. So, bali, ang from butt to, yan, 38 and a half. 38 and a half from butt to silencer, mga bossing. Pure black tactical hammer type. So,